This year has been a year of real surprises when it comes to smartphones. We have literally seen everything this year, from amazing foldable phones to phones smaller than my hand, and budget phones that changed my entire perception of value. So it is time to declare some winners. We have got 6 categories, all leading up to the single best overall 2021 champion of a phone. Welcome to the Smartphone Awards of the Year 2021, hosted by the Tech Booth. So our first category for tonight is the best big phone. Now we already know that most phones are pretty big today. That's not a surprise. But this award is for the phones that make the best use of that huge space. In 2021, the best big phone was the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I am really glad that there is a folding phone that is able to win awards like these. The Z Fold 3 obviously gives you that huge screen on the inside and a quite usable screen on the outside too. It has an amazing camera system. The performance is top tier. But I would like to hand out a runner-up for this category, which will be the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which basically had everything big inside of it. The best processor, the best camera system, one of the best battery systems. This phone basically ticked every box there was to tick. Next award for tonight is the best small phone of the year 2021. The opposite of what we just went into. In today's day and age, it's more and more rare to have a great flagship phone in a small body. This was basically a coin toss, but I had to go with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Yes, another foldable phone. This is basically a premium flagship phone in the body of a compact phone, which also folds, that it can fit in your tiniest little pockets. And that clamshell closing sound effect? And well, the runner-up for this category will be the winner most of you would have been expecting for the best mini phone, the iPhone 13 mini, which is basically just a perfect phone. But that foldable tech just, got that one step above the 13 mini. Next up, the best camera system. Who's it gonna be this year? I have praised a lot of smartphones for having amazing cameras this year. But which is that one phone which will actually take the award for the best camera on a smartphone in the year 2021? This is a sweeping victory. The iPhone 13 Pro. The 13 Pro's camera system is just way too good to be on a smartphone. But I do wanna give my runner-up to a phone that still, to this day, is carried around by photographers just because of its camera systems. The Pixel 6 Pro. I will say this, there is no other phone that can live up to the looks of the photos that the Pixel phones provide. This is for you power users out there. The best overall battery system in a smartphone. Maybe you need to go on a whole weekend hike on a single charge and you'll be nowhere near electricity. There are a couple of options here which are going to do really well in these conditions. But the winner for this award that beats the other phones in the battery tests by miles is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But the runner-up in this race of battery life has to be the S21 Ultra. As I said, this phone just ticks all the boxes, and indeed, it also has a great battery performance. And now we are getting to the fun ones. The Value Award of the Year, the overall best bang for the buck. And that bang is delivered by Google this year, in the form of the Google Pixel 6. It surely ain't cheap, but the value you got from the phone at $599 and with that Tensor chip that performed really well, those camera systems that basically got one of the best photos this year. This phone, with its great software, made the Pixel 6 Pro look like a waste of money. The Pixel 6 gets my Value Award. This is like a very easy phone to recommend to the masses. And we are down to the final two. This is one of my favorite awards to give, the Most Improved Phone of the Year 2021. And often we'll see companies learning from their mistakes and actually listening and giving out much better versions of the phone in the next iteration. But this year's most improved phone goes to a phone that basically changed itself from the bust of the year 2020 to one of the best in the year 2021. I am talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Last year's phone, the S20 Ultra, was a phone I will never recommend to anyone in sound mind. But this year's phone has basically no flaws at all. They did a great job of learning from the mistakes they did in the S20 Ultra and implementing them in the right way in the S21 Ultra. But I would like to give a shout out here to the iPhone 13 Pro. Just because we finally got ProMotion display, one of the best camera systems on a smartphone and the biggest lasting batteries ever on a smartphone. And here is the bonus category, the bust of the year 2021. As we are giving the best phones of the year 2021, why not the worst one? And there is just one clear-cut winner, and that is the $1,500 Surface Duo 2, the Microsoft second iteration foldable. I remember when the first one of these phones came out, I really loved the hardware, the hinge was flawless, but everything else was just not right. We hoped that the second iteration would get much better, and it's a year later, and the second iteration has come out, but it is more expensive than the first one, and it's worse. And that leaves us to the final award of the night, the one you all have been waiting for, the MVP, the phone of the year, the champion of 2021. And if you all had not guessed it already with the number of awards this phone got tonight, the phone of 2021, the champion phone, goes to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yet another award for a phone that honestly deserves it. This phone is good at literally everything. There are no major flaws in this device. This is a phone that is not going to disappoint you with whatever use case you have. So that's it. That's it for my awards. This all was hand selected by the entire judging committee. That is me. So if you have any problems with them, let me know down below in the comment section. But I was the one who picked out the awards. So that's been it for the Smartphone Awards of the year 2021. I have been your host, Akshat Chaudhary. Hope you enjoyed and had a fun night. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next year.